Come on, idiot. You gotta prove them wrong. You gotta prove to them that you're the winner. Don't fall over right now. If you fall over right now, it's straight to the glue factory. Come on, idiot! What are you doing? There's no way, dude. There's actually no way. You don't want to wait. You want a horse game now. Understood. Ah! Why is it so loud? Help, I have horse flu. I'm afraid the treatment costs $62,375. Yo, that's cheap for America. Okay, so we have the race. Shimmer, Attila the Blind, Starmancer, Baron. Okay, here's the thing. Shimmer seems like they got something going on. Attila the Blind, I like the name. I think I'm gonna go Shimmer. But Baron here's the underdog. Okay, I'm going for the underdog. You know, he's a sleeper. He's a sleeper agent. How many dollars do I have? I'm gonna do $10. Race. Oh God, I didn't know I was betting. You better win. Baron! Baron! You I don't want to talk about it. Listen, I was saying Shimmer in the beginning. I said it in the beginning, but what did I do? I went for the underdog. Why do I trust the underdogs? What the full of beans? Okay, I mean, I gotta go for full of beans. I mean, look at Elegy. He even got the mad eyebrows. Can you see that? Dude got the mad brows. Like, he's probably gonna win. But again, I see Beans as an underdog, and I'm gonna bet $10 on him again. All right, guys, we ready? Come on, Beans. You look like Turbo the Snail. You're gonna win this race. Come on, Beans. Don't do this to me. Come on, Beans! Come on, Beans! Beans! Come on! What does that mean? Come on, Beans! Oh, Beans. What the Why is Blush doing so well? And why did you put so much money on that one? You got insider trading? You got insider trading? Dude, this is insider trading right now. That's insider trading right there. Insider trading. They put laxatives in the other horses' hay. Come on, Beans! Oh, no, Beans! No! Beans, please! You got this, Beans! Keep trying! I'm so proud of you! Oh, I'm so proud of you! Oh! Okay. Yo, he has so much fight in him, guys. Look at him. Oh, he's still fighting. God, this Beans. I don't think Beans got it. Okay, wait, Oz. There's a pregnant one. Chunkin, Idaho. What the Weird Uncle does have an extra leg. Weird Uncle has a leg for a tail. What in the hell? Okay, let's guess. I'm gonna guess Hercules because I'm an idiot. I'm gonna put $10 on him. Go get him, Hercules. Watch the pregnant one win. Go, Hercules! Go, Hercules! Come on! Come on! Oh, why is the pregnant one winning? Go, Hercules! Don't! You're gonna let the weird uncle and the pregnant one win. Hercules! Get the frick out there, boy! Get out there, boy! Come on, boy! Come on, boy! Do it! Take it home! Take it home! Yeah! That's my son! That's my son! Bring a horse here if you want to race, okay? Do I have a horse? I saw wild horses southwest of here. Okay, I just gotta find a horse. Where's that one from? No! They're eating all of the horses! No, save you! I saved him. He was too stupid to function. He was done, guys. He was like, I'm gonna go get eaten now. And I'm like, no, you're not. Come on with me. There you go, horse. Does he have a name? Idiot. Now what do I do with him? Can I race him? Let's go race him. Look, it's Idiot, guys. Oh my gosh, Idiot, please. You have to beat Marshmallow, Droopy, Uma, and Gammy Guy. You have to win. You gotta prove them wrong. You gotta prove to them that you're the winner. Don't fall over right now. If you fall over right now, it's straight to the glue factory. Come on, Idiot! What are you doing? There's no way, dude. There's actually no way. I think he wanted to give up this whole time, guys. And the minute I said I'd take him to the glue factory, he was like, oh, thank goodness, that's an option. I saved him from going over to the hyenas. He was walking over casually to go get eaten by hyenas. And I thought, no, I'll give you a second chance. And then he was probably like, no, I don't want a second chance, please. But then I said, if you don't win, I'll take you to the glue factory. And he was like, all right, bet, thank you. Damn it. Yeah, you're getting there, Marshmallow. You're doing great. This horse, I don't know why, he's giving promising. This looks like maybe a nice horse. Okay. All right, but Horsey is back. Run. Okay, pretty decent. A little clumsy, but pretty decent. I'm gonna breed this horse with this horse. All right, get cooking. Wait, how do I know if... Oh, it's so cute! All right, now will it run? Okay, it's stupid. God damn it, now I have a stupid horse to feed. It's just a baby. No excuse for These were my prize horses. What the f happened to them? What happened? Come on, Hemi. Show them how it's done. All my horses are stupid. Is Hemi old? Hemi's geriatric now? What the f? This was my prized horse. It's going to die now? It's not looking so hot in my horse farm. We live 8 days. Oh, shit, dude. What the hell? All right, show your stuff. Go! Guys, I can't even breed them right. Okay, whatever. Say goodbye to all the horses. They're cooked. They're all cooked. This is rough, guys. No, I can't do that. No! 3 cents per pound. That ain't that. Oh, this up, dude. This dude. All creatures plentiful and few. No questions asked. We'll take the whole zoo. First, we turn them into stew. Then the stew becomes goo. Then the goo... That did not make it better. That did not make it better. I don't have the heart for this, guys. I don't have the heart. I can't do it! No. We're gonna go back and pick up poop again. I'm gonna let them live a happy life out here. Be free, my idiots. Be free, my awful, stupid horses. Run, hurry. Run away before my chat kills you. Run away. There's a giraffe! I got the longest nose, though. Holy, what the f we even vote on? I think maybe 3. 3 ain't even moving, bro. Well, we knew that was gonna happen. Dude, it looks like SpongeBob and a giraffe mix. What is this guy doing? Push-ups as a horse? This is reminding me of when they put me in special math class. They was like, you're not going into calculus. We're putting you in special math. Yeah. Hello? Wild Horse 3, you just gotta walk forward, my guy. You really just gotta walk forward. That is it. What? What? The giraffe has come in with the takeover! SpongeBob Giraffe got it up. They got it up. Come on, finish it, please. Keep pushing. Keep going. Oh, my. Oh, God. What is this? What is this? Someone help us. Someone push the damn horse. Someone pick up the horse and throw it across. Please, buddy. Thank. We got there in the end, guys. We got there in the end. All right, Ian. If the giraffe wins, I'm just gonna alt F4. Damn, Battleship's got some fight again. Never mind. Ouroboros is also coming in hot. Battleship's 100% catching up and probably gonna take it. No doubt. Yanni's definitely gonna fall and eat right at the finish line. You fucking stupid horse! Get up! Get up! You stupid horse! Get up! Finish this! Finish this! Finish this! You're lying! Dude, I was trying to reverse jinx. I am a prophet, but not a good prophet. A prophesize that whatever horse I pick is going to fail miserably. All right. We have 80 bucks. We're gonna go all in. We're gonna all in, guys. Last race. All right, Moon. All right, they're off to a great start. At least they're all going in a straight line. Okay. Captain Obvious is out. Damn, Sugar Cube! Dude, I think Sugar Cube's like a sleeper. Gets slept on, you know? It's over. It's over, guys. It's over. All of our money. Yo, Horsey game is kind of cracked, but I also now need to drink tea because I am losing my voice yelling at these freaking horses. I was yelling at them, man.